So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you about Google Fonts, which is one awesome website where you can find a lot of good font families, because font families are very vital when you are building an application for certain business. For example, if you're creating for fashion, you should use a different font family, not the same one which you use for a play school or anything. So that makes sense to use different font families or beautiful font families. So we'll be using Google Fonts, and let's see how we can add that. So you just have to search for Google Fonts in uh, the search bar, and then you'll find the first website. You can go to that website, and that will present you this actual searching area where you can actually see all the font families which are there. And now I can search for a particular name as well for a font family, for example, Poppins, if I want. So the Poppins will be the font family that will pop up actually. So here I can use this one if I want, but also I can write the sample sentence here, which will be previewed in all the font families which are available. And also I can increase the size if I want. What is happening? Okay, let me just go to that one more time. Okay, now we can actually choose any font family we want. For example, if I want any font family, for example, let's say, let me just decide. So if I want actually all these, okay, this one, if I want, so I can select that one. Then that will be presented to me, that how it looks actually and what is the thing it has. So I can actually select this font family by clicking on the regular or the other font weights if it is present. So you can click on this regular because it has the regular version as well. Only the regular version it has, so that's why I'm selecting this one. In the other font families, you will find all the other weights as well, like the bolder version or the italic version as well. So you can select that one also. If I click on that, so you will see that the font family is selected here. Similarly, I can select multiple font families, then that will be added as well. And after that, you can grab the same link which is here and paste that into your website. I can copy the same link and I can go to my index.html and paste that link. Also, if you want the link for the external CSS file, you can also use this one, import. And if you want to directly import that into the CSS file, then you can grab this one, this code. So this is it for this, and then I can use the font family, this one, which is the Aberrado cursive. I can make the use of this font family in the style. Let's say I'm creating a style tag, and inside that I can actually specify the font family. For the heading 1, let's specify that. So this will be actually presented or applied to my page. Now you can see that it is actually using the same font family which I grabbed from here. Also, if I want the different font family, so I can go with the other ones which are available to me. For example, the one I can also categorize them by the categories by clicking on this. For example, if I want all the handwriting font families, then I can use this one. So I can use this one or anything I want. For example, this Pacifico, let's select this one. So if I click on that, that will also give me one option to select. I can select from that. You can see the different versions are there, the regular 400 and the other ones. Let me just select this one. Okay. Yeah, from here I can select. So now you can see that both the font families are selected. Now I can grab the updated link, which will be having the font family Aberrato and the Pacifico. If I remove one of them, then the link will be reduced to one font family only. So I can grab the updated link and replace with the older version of that. And then I can use the font family for any element. Now I can use the font family, which is here, this one, the Pacifico. Let's use this one, and I can grab this and paste that here. If I save that and see my application, then that should be updated with a different font family. You see that it is looking quite good. So this is actually we apply Google Fonts, and I hope you understood something. So this is it for this video. I hope you understood something. If you have some issues and comments, you can comment down. We'll definitely solve that. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.